All right, let's knock out some of these practice
All right.
ACT problems. Number one, this easiest one is in the upper right. The x-intercept, that just means y equals 0. So which is the x-intercept of this graph? Well, since they said the x-intercept, that must mean that there must be only one. Usually there's two. So when there's only one, if you factor it, x minus 2 squared, you'll see that that's equal to x minus 2 squared, which means x minus 2 equals 0, which means x equals 2. And there's your answer. Now, you could have just punched this in your calculator. That's what I would have done. Totally fine. All right. Next one. After arranging the flower bed, Tara decides that the flower bed looks more attractive. If one of the angles in the triangle were a right triangle, he decides to place the right angle at a vertex A and to leave the length.
This was based on the picture above.
Oh, there's a picture above.
Yeah.
Let's see.
This one. Right here.
Oh, okay. So that picture shows A, B, C, 4, 5, 6. A, B, C. Here's A. Here's B. Here's C in the picture. And 6, 5, 4. Okay, so this said he decides to place a right angle at A and to leave the lengths A, B, and AC as 4 and 5. So, in other words, get rid of 6 here. To the nearest point 1 foot, how long piece of member would you need to replace that piece? Well, this is a right angle. This is now Pythagorean's theorem.
Oh, okay.
Remember Pythagorean's theorem, a squared plus b squared. Yeah, it's not 3, 4, 5.
That's the hypotenuse.
Exactly. So it's just 4 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. So 16 plus 25 equals c squared. So c equals the square root of 41. So just punch in 41 in your calculator. It's going to be 6.4 would be the answer. In fact, you didn't even need your calculator. You know it has to be 6.4 because 7 would be 49. That's too much. 7 squared. 6 squared is 36. That's too little. So it's
right.
6.4 has to be the right answer. Which one is the following expressions has an even integer value for all integers a and c? Okay. Which one of the following expressions has an even integer value for all integers? In other words, as long as a and c are integers, which one has an even integer value? Well, integers can be positive or negative, right? Mm-hmm. But they're the whole numbers, so -1, -2, -3, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Well, this 8 and the 2 will guarantee that whatever you have there is even. Because when you multiply something by an even number, it automatically makes it even. Think about it like 3 times 4. It's got to be a multiple of 2 now, which means it's even, right? Because every even number is a multiple of 2. And if you multiply by another even number, you'll get there. So none of these are correct because you need to guarantee that they're both even. So that's why that one is the correct answer.
That's why I put that down.
Good answer. For all non-zero real numbers, p such that which the following expression is equivalent to t. So we're solving for t. That's basically what this is saying, right? Solve for t. So my equation is x over y equals 3p over 2t. Is that what it says?
Yeah.
So cross multiply. 2xt equals 3yp. And I'll get rid of the 2x. So divide by 2x. And simplify if you can. But there's no simplifying to be done there. So your answer is J.